Welcome to Rotary Club of Mumbai Visionaries. In this video, we will brief you about the flood relief drive that we organized to support the residents of Gavdavadi and its neighboring 3 villages. Rotary Club of Mumbai Visionaries reached where no one dared or even thought to reach as yet, a village called Gavdavadi and its neighboring 3 villages, which lie 20 kilometers away from Patan, 50 kilometers away from Satara, were ravaged by the heavy floods. The villagers were drowning in grief, looking at the skies for help. Rotary Club of Mumbai Visionaries entered the scene and ventured to help those where no help had reached till then. We tried to ease their lives by providing them with food, clothing, medicine, hygiene and other necessary materials like ration, 200 bottles of mineral water, 100 dozen biscuits, medicines, 800 pieces of clothing, 100 dozen sanitary napkins, 800 kilograms surf, and various other basic articles needed for daily life. Here are some of the glimpses of the campaign, where the villagers can be seen a little relieved, with some ray of hope, where humanity reached to help them, through Rotary Club of Mumbai Visionaries.